Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Ford Edge. First, make sure your Ford Edge is running and the sync system is powered on. Next, grab your mobile device and enable its Bluetooth feature, ensuring it is discoverable to other devices. On your Ford Edge's infotainment screen, press the Phone button to enter the phone menu. If no devices are currently paired, you will see a prompt to add a phone. Simply select Add to proceed. Now, your Ford Sync system will instruct you to search for Sync on your mobile device. On your phone, navigate to its Bluetooth settings and look for Ford Sync or Ford Edge in the list of available devices. Once you locate it, tap to select it. A 6-digit personal identification number, or PIN, will then display on both your phone and your vehicle's sync screen. It is crucial to verify that these two numbers match exactly. After confirming the 6-digit PIN matches on both your phone and the sync screen, proceed to press Pair on your mobile device. Simultaneously, you will need to confirm the connection by pressing Yes on your Ford Edge's infotainment screen. A message will then appear, confirming that your phone has been successfully paired. You may also be prompted to allow Sync to download your phone book and recent call history. Selecting Yes will enable these convenient features. With your phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy a variety of Bluetooth features. Make hands-free calls and send text messages using simple voice commands, keeping your focus on the road. You can also stream your favorite music, audiobooks, and podcasts directly through your Ford Edge's sound system. Use the convenient steering wheel controls to manage your audio and calls effortlessly. For the smoothest initial setup, always keep your phone visible and unlocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.